This video was made possible by patreon.com. If you're interested, click the link in the description. If you want to know more, stay tuned by the end of the video.
Some say sight was taken from them by God to heal the earth. For the few who remain, vision is only a myth.
I feel really connected to this neighborhood.
After so many years, the power of sight has returned.
It's astonishing how the smallest moment can change an entire world.
Something's not right.
The heart of a survivor.
Introducing Macam TV Patreon. By joining today for as low as $1, you will unlock 30 plus bonus content, behind the scenes, or should I say, behind the trailer, and sneak peek. Wanna go beyond? By paying more, you get a special shoutout, early access, and more. This video is a bonus video for you guys because of your support. So I want to thank you so much. Don't just be a viewer.
Makes a colorful trip.
Don't just be a Dream Nation. Become a Dare Dreamer. The purpose of this Patreon is to support me to create dream trailers full time. If it wasn't for Patreon, I would not be inspired to keep going and making content and would decrease the amount of trailers I made. If you love my videos, if you love my trailers, please take time to support me by pledging.
I'm excited to check this thing out.
So let us start right now.
They're dreamers, but before I talk about the details, here is a quick sneak peek.